Good morning, students. Continuing exercise 2.1, let us start question number 3. In question number 3, you can see a 3 by 3 grid is given in which some fractions are written. They are asking whether it is a magic square or not. Now, to check whether it is a magic square or not, we have to add the fractions. Add the fractions horizontally, add the fractions vertically, diagonally. If everywhere the sum comes out to be same, means it is a magic square. So let us check. First, you see here in all the fractions the denominator is 11. Means these all are like fractions, same denominator. So let us add these like fractions. 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. This first row horizontally. So when we have like fractions, the denominator remains same. We don't add the denominators. You will not do 11 plus 11 plus 11, 33. No. The LCM of all these three, if I take, it will come 11. So it will remain like this. And the numerators I will add 4 plus 9 plus 2. It will come 15 by 11. Then the second row, 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11. When I add all this, denominator is 11. Then 3 plus 5 plus 7, it will come 15 by 11. Then the third row, 8 by 11, 1 by 11, 6 by 11. Again if I take the LCM, LCM is 11. So 8 plus 1 plus 6, 15 by 11. Means horizontally when I added these fractions, the sum comes out to be 15 by 11. Next is vertically, vertical addition. 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So the sum will come 15 by 11. Similarly here, 9 plus 5 plus 1. It will come 15 by 11. 2 plus 7 plus 6. It will also come 15 by 11. So vertically also the sum is coming 15 by 11. Now what is left? Diagonally. 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11. You can add and see. Their sum is also 15 by 11. And this side also diagonally. 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 8 by 11. If I add, it will come 15 by 11. So this question you can do in the book itself. Everywhere the sum is coming 15 by 11. So that means it is a magic square. Number 4 is a rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. You have to find the perimeter. So first statement will be length of sheet equals to 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Width of sheet equals to 10 2 by 3 centimeter. To find the perimeter, it is a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here we will put the values 2 into 12 1 by 2 plus 10 2 by 3. Now these are mixed fraction. So first I will change these mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 2 into 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 2 plus 10 3s are 30 plus 2 32 by 3. Now you can see these two fractions are improper fractions and are unlike fractions. The denominators are different. So to add the unlike fraction, what we do? We take the LCM of the denominators. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Now I will change this 25 by 2 to a fraction with the denominator 6. So I will multiply this by 3. So this also by 3. It will become 75 by 6. So 75 by 6 plus 32 by 3. Here also the denominator I have to change it to 6 because the LCM is 6. So you will multiply by 2. This also by 2. It will come 64 by 6. So I will write here 64 and 6 is already written there. Now add the numerators. 75 plus 64 is 139. So it will be 2 into 139 upon 6. Now this 2 and 6 can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So it will be 139 upon 3. It is an improper fraction, so we will change it into mixed fraction by dividing. 139 by 3. 3 fours are 12, remainder 1, 19, 3 6 are 18, remainder 1. So this is equal to 46, 1 by 3 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangular sheet is 46, 1 by 3 centimeters. A figure is drawn here, a rectangle and a triangle. Some measurements are given. They have asked us to find the perimeter of this triangle ABE and the perimeter of this rectangle BCDE. So first part is perimeter of triangle ABE. Formula to find perimeter is sum of all sides. So I have written here all sides 5 by 2, 3 3 by 5 and 2 3 by 4 are all sides centimeters. Now you can see here mixed fractions are there. So what you will do? Change this mixed fraction to improper. 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5 plus 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 centimeters. Now all these three fractions are unlike fractions. So to add unlike fractions, as I told you, we will take the LCM of denominators. 2, 5 and 4. 2, 1, 5, 2, then 2, 1, 5, 1, then 5, 1, 1, 1. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20. So LCM is 20. Now we will take 1 fraction. 5 by 2, I will write equivalent fraction of 5 by 2 with the new denominator 20. So 2 into 10, 5 into 10. It will become 50 by 20. 18 by 5, again I have to change this denominator to 20. You will multiply by 4, this also by 4. So this will come 72 by 20. 11 by 4, new denominator 20 into 5 into 5, 55 by 20. Now you can see the new equivalent fractions, all denominators I have made same. I have changed this unlike fractions to like fractions by taking the LCM and then converting it into like fractions. Now all the denominators are 20. The numerators you can add 50 plus 72 plus 55. So add 50 plus 72 is 122. 122 plus 55. What will come? 177 upon 20 centimeters. Now you can see again it is improper fraction. So we can change it into mixed fraction by dividing. Divide 177 by 20. 28s are 160. Remainder 70. So when I have to write it into mixed fraction, I write the formula is Q R upon D. Q is the quotient, R is the remainder, D is the divisor. So it will be 8, 17 upon 20 centimeters is the perimeter of this triangle. Similarly, you can find the perimeter of this rectangle. The formula is 2 into L plus B. So you can apply that formula and add all the sides or add all the sides and find. This you will complete yourself, the second part. One part I have done, one part you will do as homework. Starting with question number 6. Question 6 says, Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 cm wide. The width of the picture is given. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 cm wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Trimmed means how much the picture should be cut. So here in this question, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. Because the width of the picture is given 7.3 by 5 cm. I have converted this mixed fraction to improper. It became 38 by 5 cm. then the picture cannot be more than 73 by 10 centimeter. If I convert this, it will come 73 by 10 centimeter. So how much picture I have to cut means I have to subtract. One thing I have to keep in mind for subtraction, I should know which fraction is greater. Means I have to do the comparison. So to do the comparison, what I will do? I will cross multiply. Cross multiplication, I told you this also you can do, or you can take the LCM and then also you can do. If I cross multiply, the denominators will shift. 10 into 38, 380, and 5 into 73 will be 365. So which is more? This is more, means 38 by 5 is more. So when I have to subtract, the picture cannot be more than this. So the last statement will be picture trimmed is equal to 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Now you can see these are unlike fractions. Again, to subtract unlike fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 5 and 10 will come 10, and then convert this denominator to 10. How 5 will become 10? If I multiply it by 2. So numerator also I multiply by 2. 5 into 2, 10. 38 into 2 will be 76. Here the denominator is already 10. So no need to convert to 10. It will remain as such. So this will come minus 73. So 76 minus 73 will be 3 by 10. So the picture is to be trimmed 3 by 10 centimeter. So this way you can do the subtraction. In these questions you might have seen we have done the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. I hope you have understood these all addition and subtraction. Do practice more questions. Question number 7 and question number 8 of this exercise. I am giving you homework. You try it yourself.